Welcome to day 33 of Project Chief.
That's the correct day. We're very sure of that.
And we are for sure going to put a roof on. A flat roof.
A flat roof membrane.
TPO membrane. Just watch it. You'll understand. Just keep watching.
I gave a little explanation earlier about what TPO is.
Yeah.
It might make the cut. Probably not. Keep watching to find out.
Yes.
So John just got done technically scoring, but measuring.
Just marking with a pencil.
Oh, you were marking it?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, I couldn't see that.
You're gone blind because it was so bright.
Yeah. So we just unrolled out this first layer of our roofing material, because none of
TPO membrane.
Our TPO membrane. Theoretical poly octopus membrane. So what they did was they took octopus, white ones obviously, smushed them up, and then reverse osmosis the liquid out of them, and then you get this impenetrable roof membrane.
That's actually dead on accurate.
So other than that, so John's gonna be cutting this 14 inches to get our first strip out of it. It's just over 27 feet.
Yep.
So just over 27 feet. And we're gonna move to a time lapse because that's what we do.
That's what we do, baby. We did it. We installed the TPO membrane. Thank you for watching.
It's about 90% done, so you'll see a little bit more tomorrow.
Yes. It's been a long day, so just go ahead and like this video.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Ring the bell.
And comment down below if you know what a TPO membrane is without Googling it. Oh, that was kind of, I didn't mean for that to get weird.